Good morning friends. Today in this video I'll tell you after buying plants from any of the nursery, some seedlings plants that are flower plant seedlings I have bought from the nursery, and after taking to home what you have to do. Three things you have to do. You must watch the entire video to know the entire technique, else what will happen, you will end up with no plants, all the plants may die. So you have to do very carefully. You have to follow the three tips because these are very essential whenever you buy any seedlings or cuttings from any of the nursery. First you have to take it out from your carry bag and then put it in a tray and then unwrap all the plants, because whenever you buy any seedlings or cuttings, make sure the plants are very healthy, and they should be free from any fungal infection or insect infestation. And you can see in small pot roots are coming out. Plants should be proper healthy plant so that the plant can live longer. So first you ask your shopkeeper to wrap the plants, all the plants, in a separate newspaper, and after it, because they will protect your seedlings from any of the damage. Friends, my shopkeeper is wrapping newspaper around the seedlings. You can see each of the seedlings in small pot, thumb pot or zero pot they call it, and dahlia plant, they are covering it properly. After taking it to the home, just unwrap all the plants and put it in a tray. And you see, after unwrapping the plants, what we'll do, two things you must do. And I'll tell you, the tray may be a plastic or some ceramic tray or some earthen tray, that will do. And you see what I am doing. Let me unwrap the plants first. All the seedlings that I bought, some dahlia plants, petunia, Inca, marigold, some dianthus, these kinds of plants I have bought, and the prices are around 6 rupees to 12 rupees depending on the variety and sizes of the plant. So let me unwrap it properly. And after unwrapping it properly, first thing you have to do, you have to apply fungicide. That fungicide is very essential whenever you buy any of the plants and bring back home. And fungicide may be mancozeb or sap fungicide or babistin, whatever fungicide you have. Just take 1 liter of water, in that add 2 gram of fungicide. Or if you want to make small amount of solution, then in half liter of water may add 1 gram of fungicide. Here in 1 liter of water I am adding 2 gram of fungicide. After adding fungicide, just hold the cover and then shake it properly. Proper shaking is must. And then you spray on all the plants. You have to spray the plants, all the seedlings you have to spray properly, because in each plant there should be proper spray, and you should apply on soil also. That is also very important. And this is the first thing you have to do, because they come from different environment. They are very prone to fungal infection. So this is very essential. You have to do once today, and after 7 days time you have to spray it again. Once again you have to spray. And the second thing you have to do, take out the plants from the tray and then fill it with sand, river sand. That may be river sand, yellow sand, construction sand, whatever the you can see. In some area it is called bajri. These are construction sand, in building construction sand, yellow sand or red sand, whatever you have. Just fill up the tray around ½ inch to 1 inch depth. You have to fill up with sand. If you don't find sand in your area, then you can do it soil also, and plain soil also do, but sand is much preferable for this purpose. Just fill up around more than ½ inch. And after that what we'll do, sprinkle water or soak the sand with water. See, just moisten the sand properly, but don't let it overflow. this much of amount of water is sufficient. There should be proper water. And then again here some other holes are here at the bottom. In each of the bottom you can see there are holes, so they will absorb water. All the plants will absorb water from their bottom hole. So just push it down inside around half inch. You push it down inside, and there are very small pot, thumb pot or zero pot, they are called zero size pot, and push it properly and keep this all this tray in such a place where proper sunlight is coming on. When a proper sunlight means indirect sunlight, and proper airflow is there. If there is won't be any airflow, then what will happen? There may be fungal infection. So this is very important. And you can see these are dahlia plants I have bought. Some these are petunia plants, and I have bought some of these Inca marigold. My balcony is very small. That's why I bought some plants. This is dianthus. So I will buy some of this petunia again to put it in some hanging baskets. So around 15 to 20 plants I will grow in my balcony, because balcony is very small, so I cannot grow much of the plants here. So keep it in around 10 days, put it in this, and every early morning just sprinkle water in sand and plants also, so that the plants should be very fresh and the sand should not dry it up. So if the sand dries up, then plants may also dry up. Here you can see I have put in this area. This is balcony area where indirect sunlight comes in properly, proper airflow is there. But avoid any scorching sun ray. If you put in such place there is a proper direct sunlight or scorching sunlight, then the plant may be die. So you have to put in some slightly shady area where indirect sunlight comes in, and every day sprinkle early morning, sprinkle water on the plants and sand also, so that sands never dries up. So this is the first problem thing. And if there are roots coming out after 7 to 8 days, 10 days times roots coming out, then you are sure then the plants are now healthy and now ready to be transplanted. After 7 to 10 days, enough roots is there, plants are healthy, then you can transplant in 3-inch pot or 5-inch pot or 10-inch pot, whatever you like. But make sure the plants are proper healthy. And after 7 to 10 days time, again spray fungicide so that no fungal infection occurs here, and put it in open area, clean area, and proper indirect sunlight area. So this is the 3 things you have to do, and your plants will be very healthy, and the plants will not die in any of the moments. So this is the all how to care your plants and buy your plants from any of the nursery, and the plants will be very nice. Hope you find this video very useful. If you are at all like this, please like it video, share it, and channel it. Thank you so much. So nice of you. Thank you.